just seen a train on the bridge. So we're about to go, well, not on the bridge, but going past the bridge.
Sound like some bad tires on it or something.
Oh, could you park right here? Because since you... No, not right here. There's a little... No, I'm talking about on the ramp going down, you could see the train, and you could be on the side of the road in the grass.
You got a visual?
There's the train.
Ain't nothing moving.
Oh, I thought that was a...
Yeah, I know what you thought. You thought your hair looked nice.
Looks like they just parked it here.
Yeah.
Little train. Thought that was something. Oh, I see an engine back there though, but it's parked.